Want to use two apps at the same time on your Samsung phone? It's actually easier than what most people think once you know where to look. In today's video, I'll show you how to use split screen mode on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. So let's say you are now currently using the Chrome app. Tap on the three lines icon on the bottom menu. Tap on the Chrome icon on the top of the page here. Tap on Open in Split Screen View. Here you can see the Chrome tab is on the top of your screen, while another screen opens up at the bottom. You can scroll down to find the app that you want to open as the bottom screen, or you can tap on the menu button here on the top right to open up your app drawer. You can also search for the app by tapping on the magnifying glass and search for the app by typing in the keyword. To select or close any screen, either the top or the bottom, simply tap on the top of that particular screen, and you can choose to make it full screen, or you can choose to close it. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they will help you in your daily life. Until the next video, my name is Steph. Take care and